Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make thousands of dollars per month selling digital products that you don't even have to create. But before we get started, be sure to hit subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I put out a new video on how to make money online. Now, the online money making method that I'm going to show you today is how to sell ebooks online through your social media channels for free. But don't worry, if you're not a writer, I'm going to show you where you can get these pre-written ebooks and sell them online just as if they're your own. Ready? Let's jump in. Okay, so earlier in the video, I told you that we're going to be selling ebooks that you don't even have to write. And by doing that, we go to PLR products. Now, what PLR stands for is private labeled rights, which allows you to download ebooks, articles, software, videos, and much more and sell them online as if they're your own, as if you wrote them. So the site that I use that I love for my PLR products is called idplr.com. So I use this website to download my products and sell them online, and you can too. I wanted to give you some other options. If you don't want to pay, they do have a free service. They give you credits, but there are some other services where you can get free credits each month. Okay. Another one is plr.me. And then this one here is plrproducts.com. Now this one allows you to pay as you go. So you would grab an ebook, pay for it, and then resell it as if it was your own. So I'm going to go through a couple of the definitions, if you will, on what the product terms are and what they mean. Okay, so you'll see some of these in the products as you go through them and download them, and it lets you know what you can and cannot do with the products. Some of them you can change the whole product and make it your own. Others you can't. It allows you to give it away for free. It allows you to sell it. It allows you to just use it for your own personal use. It lets you know whether you can modify or change the program. It lets you know if you can add it to paid membership websites. So there are a ton of products on here. So what you would want to do, now I've logged in, so go ahead and create your free account. They do have a list of the different free products that they have if you want to download them here. But I usually go to my products. I select the different type of product that I want. I usually go to eBooks and I start with private labeled rights. So we click there. And then it just brings up, I'm guessing, some of the most recent products that have been added to their website. So as you can see, there's so many different types of products here. You've got your PLR Profit Machine, your Insta Profit Magnet, Pinterest Profit, Twitter Success. One of the things I look for mainly is the date, okay, when they were published. So you want to make sure that you're not getting a book that was published back in 2017. It most likely will not be relevant these days, especially if you're in the online space, digital marketing, affiliate marketing. You want to make sure that your products are recent and relevant, okay? So I'm going to start with something simple that everybody knows, and it's an easy sell, is keto. There's a lot of people out there in the health and beauty space, and there's a lot of people looking to lose weight, okay? So we can offer them a product to help them along that journey. So as you can see, we've got an easy keto book here. It was uploaded to Idplr on 22 December 2020. Funny enough, that's my birthday. That's weird. So if we go ahead and click this product, what it's going to do is it's going to show us what the product offers. So you've got a write-up here. It tells you in the book what topics that are covered. Okay. And it gives you the size of the file, and it gives you the license, master resale rights. And then here are the terms. This tells you what you can and cannot do with that product. Yes, you can sell it. No, you cannot modify or change the main product. You cannot change the graphics or e-cover, and you cannot give it away for free. So basically, if you get this product, you can either use it for yourself or sell it. So we're going to go ahead and sell it. So we're going to set up a simple 3-page funnel. Okay, but if you want to click on these, you can actually see the lead box, which is your lead magnet box. So as you can see, they give away a free recipe book as a free guide. And then it takes them to the paid book, the paid offer. Okay, we're not going to do that today. We're going to sell this book straight out. But if you wanted to, you could certainly start with a lead magnet and then go ahead into the sale. Okay, it also lets you look at the sales page so you can see exactly what your customers will see when they go to their sales page. Now, I don't do all of these bonuses and everything, so we're going to do our own sales page, okay? And I'll take you through that as well. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and download this book. Now, I've already done that. So here's the Easy Keto files that come with it. So you see you've got your ebook, you've got the checklist as it showed in the bonuses, the resource cheat sheet, the mind map. We're not going to use any of those, okay? Here's your sales page. The index.html is what will actually show you the actual sales page. And it brings you to the sales page so you can kind of see what it is. But again, we're not going to use that sales page, okay? You've got the license terms. So again, it gives you a summary of the license terms, what you can and cannot do with it. So in case you forget from when you downloaded it, you've got your opt-in pages. Here's your lead magnet. So that's your actual PDF of the lead magnet. This shows you the actual, the index, the website again for the lead magnet. You've got your graphics. So here's all your images that you can use while building your own funnel. Here are your e-covers so that you can make sure that you're using the right e-cover. So here's your ebook e-covers so that you can use those graphics while building your funnel. You've got your email swipes. So let's say someone opts in, gives you their email, their name and email address, but they don't actually buy the book. Well, these are email swipes that they give you so that you can copy paste them into your email autoresponder and continue to market to them to say, hey, you know, grab the book, get your copy, grab the book. So there's one, right? There's one email. And then you got your headlines, there's your subject headlines, right? New guide, practical guide. So it gives you the tools that you need to help you sell this product. And then here are some social media images. If you want to go ahead and post some social media images to your Instagram or your Facebook or anywhere, TikTok, anywhere. So it gives you these images to help you sell this product, okay? So the more information they give you to help you sell, the more products you'll continue to buy, right? That's kind of how it works, right? Okay, so once you have all of your resources downloaded for that one PLR product, now you want to go ahead and create your funnel. Now, if you stay to the end of this video, I have a bonus for you to help you out and get you started moving in the right direction, okay? So here's a funnel that I created for this Easy Keto book. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through. Now, I use Clickfunnels for my funnel builder. I absolutely love their software. It's so easy to use and maneuver and make funnel after funnel after funnel. Super easy, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click edit page so that you guys can see what I have done in building this funnel. So I went ahead and put an attention headline up here, and I got that off of their actual site, off of their actual, their sales page. So I've got this attention headline. Then I got this here also from their sales page right here. So here's their sales page. So here's a practical guide to the keto, right? So I just copy pasted that right into my funnel. Learn about the keto diet, keto-friendly recipes to lose weight fast. Grab it today for only $7. They put their name, their email, and they say, yes, I want the keto book. So once they click on, yes, I want the keto book, it's going to take them to the next page in the funnel, which is the sales page. Now, the sales page is where they go ahead and put in their information, their billing address, and then their credit card information, and then complete my order. I put another picture of the keto book up here. So they make sure, so everything is congruent with that first page that you sent them to. Once they hit complete my order, it submits the page and it will take them then to the thank you page. Now the thank you page has some additional stuff on it as well. And as I was building this funnel for this tutorial, I started thinking, is there something else that we can do? Now you can take out all of this right here, delete this element right here, and just have thank you for your order, download your book, have a nice day, right? You could stop right there. Well, let's think. So a lot of these videos that I'm doing are for affiliate marketers and making money online through affiliate marketing, using affiliate marketing. So I kind of wanted to tie some of that in here. So I thought, why not show them how to also add an additional affiliate marketing product that we're an affiliate for. So what I did is I went over to ClickBank, right? ClickBank, you have health and fitness is one of the categories. So I clicked on diets and weight loss. I sorted by gravity. Gravity lets you know how many people are selling it and whether or not they're doing well. So right now in this custom keto diet, there are 411 affiliates that are selling this product and crushing it. They're selling it, right? So I went ahead and clicked promote. But what we're going to do is so once you click promote, it takes you to get your links. So I went ahead and put TikTok in there, but let's just say we do email. So we're going to send out emails, and this is the link we're going to put in there. Okay. So that's the link you're going to copy. But looking at this particular product, so if we were to put this product going to this affiliate offer, then we could get additional sales as well using a ClickBank affiliate product, right? Genius. So I went ahead and built a little bit. I grabbed a picture from their sales page and I put a couple of their headlines here. This one right here, I didn't move out. Let me go ahead and delete that. Okay, and then get your custom keto diet plan. Now what I did was for the ebook, I simply put it in my Google Drive and then I added it to this button. So when they click the button, it'll take them to that ebook in my Google Drive. So you look here, there it is in my Google Drive. I click on it. I go over here to share, get link. You can get the link. Anyone with the link can view it. You want to make sure you don't want to let them to edit it so they can view it. Anyone with the link can view it. So sometimes, and typically when you come up, it comes up and it shows restricted, but you can change that. Click anyone with the link, copy the link, click done. Then you go back over to your button on your funnel, click on the button, set the action. You want to put the link right here. Now with Clickfunnels, they got a little glitch, if you will. You have to hit the enter key for it to actually show up here. Okay, once you see it here, you know it's taken on that button, right? So same thing with the custom keto diet plan. I've got my hop link here. I go ahead and copy it. Go back to my button, click on my button, set the action, and I paste it right here. Hit the enter key, and then it shows up, right? Because you see I had a different ending there. So now I've got the one that shows email, okay? So I'll send them this link to this funnel in my emails. So you hit the save button. Now we can go ahead and preview this page. You can kind of see what people will see when they come to this page. And this is what the, hey, thank you for your order. Download your ebook now. Click there to download. Boom. It shows up right there, right? There's your book. Now, because I don't want them to actually leave my funnel page. So the one thing was when I click download my ebook, set action, see here, it says open in same window. I want it to open in a new tab so that my funnel stays open so they can see this, right? I want them to come back here to get your custom keto diet plan. Typically, people will read this before they actually click the download button. But if you take them, if they open it in the same window, they can't get back here. So you want to make sure they can get back here. And then same thing here. If I click this button, oh, I'm sorry. Let me preview. So same here. If they click this button, this will then take them to your affiliate offer, right? So I did the same thing with this one. I didn't open it in a new window. So even though right here, it doesn't matter either way, but I always like to have my tabs open up in a new tab, in a new window, okay? So there's your funnel, okay? Now what you need to do is go ahead and drive traffic to this web link. See this web link? The opt-in page is your first page that you're going to send people to. So there's your link. And this is the link that you then promote on your social media accounts. Now, keep in mind, you can sell this book over and over and over again. Okay. You don't have to just sell it the one time. So if you have invested in the idplr.com, which I have, I believe I paid $67 one-time fee. To me, that's so worth it. I've only got to make the payment one time and I can download as many products as I want, anytime that I want. There's no limit. So it's absolutely fantastic. So let's say we wanted to look for a different product. So let's look for, what's hot right now? Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin's hot right now. So let's search for Bitcoin, see if they've got any Bitcoin products. Look, they got a Bitcoin breakthrough. Now this one was added 3 June 2020. Not too old, but has anything changed in the Bitcoin world from last June to now? Maybe. So I'm not sure I would promote this one. Same thing with these. Look at these. 29 October 2018, 2018, 2017. So I'm not sure I would promote any of those. So let's look at Pinterest, right? Pinterest isn't up and coming. Actually, it's kind of exploding right now. So if you were to help others with their Pinterest profits, look, 23 November 2020, fairly still relevant. Social media marketing revolution. You can advertise and promote any of these products here. There are so many products with almost everything in here. So I have a dog channel. So let's just say dog training. Let's see what they've got in here for dog training. ClickBank has some dog training affiliate programs that you can also promote. So some of these, look at these, 2016, some of these are fairly old. But does a lot change with how to house train your dog? Probably not. Dog potty training, 2014, probably not. Okay, so a lot of these are still fairly relevant. So there's nothing wrong with taking this book, downloading it, and giving it away for free. Of course, you got to look. You got to click on the items so that you can see what you can and cannot do. Okay, so yes, you can sell it. Can be given away for free? No, but it says can be used to build a list. So if I have you opt in, give me your name and your email, and I'll send you this free guide. You can do that. Even though you're giving it to them for free, you're using it to build a list. So I'm getting a name and an email in exchange for that book. So if that makes any sense, okay? So you can build your own separate opt-in here, on your funnel builder so that you can then sell that book as well, okay? So that's the down and dirty with getting your own PLR content. You have articles that you can download. So let's look up here, products. You've got, well, a lot of these products here actually give you articles and such inside of them, but let's take a look around at your PLR products. They have articles, they have software, they have so many products that you can download and use as your own to build your list, to build your email list, to sell and make profit, okay? But one of the other things you want to make sure you're doing is you're gathering their email address, right? So you want to make sure that you're emailing them. So that way, anybody that opts in that does not buy the book, you can then continue to email and market to them, keeping in mind that they actually give you the email swipes. Okay, so this method I showed you here is so easy, even a beginner can do it. So I told you if you stay to the end of this video, I was going to give you a bonus. Well, my bonus is this funnel template. I'm going to go ahead and give you this funnel template. The link is in the description so that you can import it into your own ClickFunnels account. Now, if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, you can go ahead and get a 14-day free trial. The link is below in the description, and you can get started with ClickFunnels and start building your funnels for your PLL products today. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my online money-making method today. And I know if you give it a try, you'll start seeing that you can make some money really fast. So all of the links to all of the software that I've used are linked below in the description. So go ahead and give them a try. The PLL product sites, ClickFunnels to get your 14-day free trial, and of course your share funnel. So you can import my funnel into your ClickFunnels account and get started right away. So please give me a thumbs up if you got some value with this video. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on my next money-making videos. I'll see you next time.